Hello, welcome to AN community. In this particular video, we are going to discuss one of the important aspects of upper abdominal inspection, that is visible arterial pulsation. When you think about the visible arterial pulsation, so this can be observed in two different regions. One that is in the epigastric region, second one that may be in the umbilical or just above the suprapubic region. These are the only two areas where we are going to observe the arterial pulsations. When you think about the pulsations observed in the epigastric region, that may be observed maybe in the lean individuals or the person who is having the scaphoid abdomen. So that is usually indicative of transmitted pulsation. When you think about the transmitted pulsation, when you look into the two ends of this pulsation, each pulsation you will not get the any kind of the change in the distance between those two pulsations. That is what we can say the transmitted pulsation. Whereas the in case of the umbilical region, etc., there will be the expansile pulsation. The term expansile pulsation in the sense which each beat, the fingers kept on either sides of the pulsation, with each beat that will be moving apart. That is what we can say the expansile pulsation. This is specifically seen in abdominal aortic aneurysm. This video is indicative of the simple abdominal aortic pulsation as it is being seen in the epigastric region, and this may be observed in case of the flat contour of abdomen. This video shows the person is having abdominal aortic aneurysm. Take-home messages from today's discussion are: visible arterial pulsations are another part of findings of inspection of per abdomen. Visible pulsation in the epigastric region in a flat contour of abdomen or in scaphoid abdomen, usually a transmitted pulsation, may indicate the simple pulsation of the abdominal aorta, whereas pulsations observed at the umbilical region that may indicate abdominal aortic aneurysm, and it is usually an expansile pulsation. That is not the transmitted pulsation. That's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video that you'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.